In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name label stickers in Canva. By the end, you'll be confidently picking a great layout and customizing it so it looks polished and perfectly suited to your needs. Start on the Canva homepage. From here, head straight to Templates in the top menu. This is your shortcut to thousands of professionally designed layouts, which saves you time and gives you a strong starting point. In the Templates search bar, type Name Label Stickers and press Enter. You'll see a gallery of options in different styles, sizes, and color schemes. Take a moment to browse. Hover over a design to preview multiple pages or color variations. If you're working within a certain aesthetic, playful for kids, minimal for office gear, or bold for events, use the filters to narrow by style, color, or whether the template is free or pro. Choose a template that matches the vibe and approximate size you want. When you're ready, click the template and select Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor so you can make it your own. Now it's time to edit. Click any text box and replace the placeholder text with the name or details you want on the label. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font, size, letter spacing, and alignment. For small labels, pick a clean, readable font and aim for high color contrast. Dark text on a light background or vice versa, to keep names legible at a glance. Adjust colors to match your brand or theme using the color picker. If you have a brand palette set up, apply it for instant consistency. You can also swap illustrations, shapes, or backgrounds. Open Elements and search for icons that fit your theme, stars, animals, school supplies. Then scale them down so they don't overpower the text. Keep the layout simple. Clarity beats clutter on small stickers. If the template includes multiple labels on one page, duplicate them to create a full set. Select a label group and use duplicate or copy and paste as needed. Use position and the tidy up or distribute tools to keep spacing even. Group elements that belong together so you can move the label as a single unit. And lock any backgrounds to avoid accidental shifts. Before wrapping up, check size and margins. Keep text a few millimeters inside the edges so nothing gets cut off. Turn on rulers and guides if you like precise alignment. Zoom in to proofread names and inspect edges. Then duplicate the page to try quick color or icon variations. Finally, give your design a clear name so you can find it later.